Hello students, today's topic is excretory system. Excretory system is the system of an organism which removes excess and unnecessary material from the body. The removal or elimination of waste product of metabolism from the body is called excretion. The major excretory products are carbon dioxide, excess water, and nitrogenous compounds like ammonia, uric acid or urea. Students, human excretory system includes the following structure: a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. In human beings, kidneys are the main organ of excretion. Apart from kidneys, the skin, lungs and liver also help in excretion. Function of different excretory organs. Liver. It excretes bile which contains bile pigment, heme. It also excretes cholesterol. Second one is skin. It has sweat glands. Our skin is having sweat glands, so through which excretion of water, salt and urea takes place. Lungs. Lungs are present in our body to take oxygen inside and to excrete carbon dioxide from the body. Kidneys. The human kidneys are the major excretory organ. They are reddish brown, bean-shaped structure of 10 to 12 cm length, 5 to 7 cm in width and 2 to 3 cm in thickness, with average weight of 120 to 170 grams. Structure of kidney. Each kidney is enclosed in a thin fibrous covering called capsule. The outer surface of each kidney is convex while the inner surface is concave. The concave surface have a notch called hilum. This is hilum, through which the supply of blood occurs by renal artery and the renal vein which pass in and out of the kidney. Renal artery brings fresh blood to the kidney and renal vein drains the blood from kidney. There are two zones seen in kidney: the outer dark granular cortex and inner lighter medulla. There is cortex and medulla in the kidney. The ureter of both sides originates forward through renal pelvis and opens inside the urinary bladder. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. It is the real controller of the chemical composition of the blood. About 1 million nephrons forms the excretory organ of human being called kidney. Nephron is a complex tubular structure that consists of the following two parts. First is Malpighian body. Second is renal tubules. First we will study about Malpighian body in this diagram. This cup-like structure is known as Bowman's capsule, discovered by Sir William Bowman. This is Bowman capsule and the space inside the Bowman capsule is called Bowman space. You can see some cluster of thread-like structures inside this space. Bowman space consists cluster of blood vessels which are known as glomerulus. Glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together make renal corpuscle or Malpighian body. That means renal corpuscle is the Bowman capsule plus glomerulus. This structure together with glomerulus is called renal corpuscle. Afferent vessel brings blood in the Bowman capsule and afferent vessel takes blood out. Bowman capsule and glomerulus together called renal corpuscle or Malpighian body. Other end is known as renal tubule. One end is Bowman capsule and this another end is renal tubule. Tubule means small tube. Here one end is inside the Bowman capsule and another end is in the duct system of kidney. Here you can see three regions in this diagram: light green, blue and orange. This light green structure is proximal convoluted tubules and this is loop of Henle and this is distal convoluted tubules. Proximal means closed and convoluted means highly folded structure. So this is proximal convoluted tubules and this is loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is a hairpin like structure present in between proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. Distal means open and convoluted means again highly folded structure. Now function of kidney. Kidney removes the excess water and nitrogenous waste, urea or uric acid from blood as urine. What is urine? Urine is the liquid waste which is thrown out or excreted out from the body after all the body functions are regulating. Kidney maintains the constant concentration of blood plasma, that is also called osmoregulation, and it regulates the pH of blood. Function of ureters. And what are ureters? The pelvis of each kidney is continued as a ureter and emerges out as hilus. Ureter is a long and muscular tube. Ureters of both sides extend posteriorly and open into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. It is a thin-walled, pear-shaped, white, transparent sac present in the pelvic cavity. It temporarily stores the urine until it is thrown out. Urethra. It is a membranous tube which passes urine to the exterior. The urethral sphincter keeps the urethra closed except during voiding of urine. Mechanism of urine formation. It occurs into three major stages: glomerular filtration, selective reabsorption, tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration is brought about by the high blood pressure in glomerular capillaries and the process is known as ultrafiltration. Selective reabsorption helps to filter the selective molecules from the filtrate by diffusion, active transport and passive transport. In tubular secretion, the leftover in the blood is transported into the filtrate and it helps to maintain ionic balance of the body fluid. After that, urine is formed. The fluid and dissolved waste substances excreted by the kidneys through nephrons or renal tubules constitute urine.